Hello there, my name is David Attenborough, and today we'll be talking about one of the most interesting and rare creatures on the earth, the raccoon, also known as Procyon lota.
They're sure to mesmerize. Their tails are ringy-dingy and their fur is puffy-puff.
The family of the raccoon includes many other ring-tailed species. A famous relative of the raccoon is the red panda. Raccoons are typically native to North America in dense woody areas with ample space to burrow and to build their nice little burrows. The raccoons also typically can be found in suburban and urban dwellings as they are adapted to the human lifestyle.
The common raccoon is typically 12 inches tall, 24 to 38 inches long, 14 to 23 pounds, with a trademark black mask of fur around its eyes. They are gray and have a gray and black ring tail. They exhibit bilateral symmetry as they are mammals.
The raccoon can live to be 2 to 3 years old. Raccoons are omnivores and eat literally anything they can get their hands on. Common diets include birds, fish, eggs, nuts, berries, and of course, human trash. Raccoons also do something called dowsing when they eat, which is when they roll their food around their paws to see if they want to eat it or not.
Raccoons typically move by running and jumping. They follow plantigrade locomotion, which is walking with the toes and metatarsals flat on the ground. However, they do not usually run quickly or jump very far, so they move at a shorter shuffling pace. Raccoons have especially sensitive hands, which are helpful for sorting through human trash and finding food. Another adaptation of the raccoon is that they are all dark-colored, which is helpful because they are nocturnal and can hide easily from predators. The average mating season is from January to March. Raccoons do polygyny, which is when a single male raccoon mates with 2 or 3 females, except only the females raise the baby raccoons. Raccoon pregnancy is about 63 days. 2 to 5 kits, which are baby raccoons, are born per litter. The raccoons mature quickly and can hunt with the mom after about 12 weeks, and after 2 years the babies separate and are independent.
Raccoons are typically nocturnal animals and spend most of their time during the day sleeping, but they come alive at night. In adulthood, they usually continue to live in close-knit communities of 4 to 5 raccoons for protection against predators. Raccoons are actually pretty meek creatures. The only noise that they make when they feel threatened is usually a hiss or a bark. Sometimes they'll growl at you, and sometimes they'll do something called screaming. But the only thing that a raccoon will really do when they feel extremely threatened is bite. In North America, raccoons, especially babies, may be prey to bobcat, wolves, coyotes, and great horned owls. These animals are usually quicker than raccoons or hunt in packs, which enables them to attack and kill. Raccoons are in no danger of extinction. They are extremely well adapted to human life because they eat virtually anything and are nocturnal, which enables them to easily sneak food and stuff from urbanized places. Humans are taking away some of their natural habitats of the raccoons, but because they're so versatile, it doesn't seem to be a problem. They're adapted to the human environment, which is disrupting their own, by being able to eat virtually anything they can get their hands on. They can sort through trash with their human-like hands, which is also very helpful. Raccoons are extremely tactile, which gives them the ability to open doors, jars, bottles, and latches. Raccoons are also reasonably intelligent. On the mammal IQ scale, they rank higher than cats and just below monkeys.
The raccoon song, everyone come and sing.
Hello everyone, my name is David Attenborough, and today we will be learning about the Tursiops truncatus, or more commonly known as the bottlenose dolphin. Now, the bottlenose dolphin is a warm-blooded mammal with dark gray coloring and a whitish underbelly. Their elongated snout contains 18 to 28 teeth per side of each jaw, with a functional nose, also known as a blowhole, on the top of this head. Bottlenoses tend to be 10 to 14 feet long and live around 45 to 50 years in the wild. Now, they have a powerful fluke at the end of their tail to propel them through the water, and 2 pectoral flippers plus a dorsal fin to help steer and keep them balanced in the water. Bottlenoses usually swim around 3 to 7 miles per hour, but they can reach up to 20 miles per hour when frightened. Bottlenoses feed on small shrimp, crustaceans, and fish. They especially love tuna, mackerel, and mullet. bottlenoses can be found in both coastal and open waters all around the world in tropical and temperate oceans between 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Bottlenose dolphins have many special features to help them survive. For example, bottlenoses practice porpoising, which is where they swim fast to the surface, rise out of the water, and back down in one swift motion, often several times in a row, which allows them to conserve energy while still swimming fast. Dolphins can also hold their breath for up to 15 minutes, and typical dives last around 10 minutes. They don't usually dive deep, but they have the ability. Dolphins have been observed to dive as deep as 2,300 feet. The most helpful adaptation is probably the bottleноse's use of echolocation, which is where they make clicking noises which send out sound waves. When the sound waves hit an object, they bounce back to the dolphin and reveal information about the size and location of the object. Reproduction-wise, dolphins have calves every 3 to 6 years. The gestation period is about 1 year, and during courtship, males butt heads and rake each other with their teeth to win over the female. The birth of a calf is assisted by 1 or 2 other dolphins, and unlike other mammals, calves are born tail first to prevent it from drowning. Bottlenose dolphins travel in pods of 2 to 15, as group size tends to increase with the openness and depth of their habitat. They feed, socialize, rest, and travel every day, and use echolocation to communicate with each other. Although they establish social and emotional connections with those in their pod, a social hierarchy does exist. Dominance is established through biting, raking their teeth on others, chasing, and smacking their tails in the water. The bottlenoses' main predators are tiger sharks, bull sharks, dusky sharks, and great white sharks. However, the social structure of the pod makes predators like sharks avoid approaching them. The predators usually target isolated or ill dolphins. The status of the bottlenose dolphin is least concern. Although not endangered, dolphins are greatly affected by habitat degradation, pollution, and boat traffic. Now it's time for some fun facts. Dolphins don't chew. They eat fish headfirst to avoid being hurt by the tail or spines. They also sleep with one eye open. In order to breathe, they need to be awake. To prevent drowning while sleeping, half of the brain goes to sleep and one eye closes, while the other half stays awake and the other eye remains open. Additionally, the military trains dolphins to perform marine tasks like searching for enemy divers or mines. Bottlenoses have also been seen to breach up to 16 feet above the water. The full classification of the common bottlenose dolphin is Animalia chordata mammalia cetacea delphinidae tersiops truncatus. Its closest relative is the Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphin.